Ganda. Grabe, ang Diyosa ni Gazzini. Papa Nawa, thank you ha for giving Gazzini a chance to showcase her skills, her talent for this pageant.
Ay, sorry.
Ang daming mga baklang tuwa.
Nagsiwala mo sa diwata. Ay, sorry po. Okay, one. Okay. Thank you, dear po. Pero iscan muna ng boarding pass.
Yes.
Nas ka na yung akin?
Dito na lang ba?
Ay,
Balik ka.
nag-scan ka na ng boarding pass.
Sige, ito ka lang.
Pasok na kami dito.
Pasok na si sir. Okay, ito na lang.
Ayos ka ng bar dito. Hindi pa. Hindi pa.
After completing all your receive a clean rolling your completely and
Nagbibihis pa si Gazzini.
Yung mama ko. Naka-brand Hardy.
Little wait inside.
Okay.
Baka na mangyari sa'yo yung nangyari sa akin. Oh my God, nakakaloka. Walang alam.
Sige, go. Sabyan mo na lang ako pagbabangga ako. Diyosa mo. I've been covering you girls in the pageant, but this is the first time I'm in the this is the second time pala.
I think the stars have aligned for us to be in
Yes.
the same light. For you to cover
Yes.
me.
Oo, babawi ako. Hindi ako nakapunta ng Georgia.
Ang layo kasi, ang lamig pa. So,
Oo.
buti na lang talaga at hindi ka rin pumunta.
Oo.
Sige,
Oo, kundi heartbroken ako. Sige, go.
Tayong lahat, heartbroken tayo.
Sige.
Ikaw lang. Baka maganda. Airpod.
Yung ipopost ko ba to? Siyempre hindi pa din arrival look mo.
Oo, hindi pa ito yun. Kaya, kalma ka muna. Kalma mo muna. Baka... Luis, buhay ka. Sorry.
Ay, ginagawa ko tas sa mismo.
Oh, nahulog. Oh. Oh, yan, nahulog. Ganda ng ano nila, reflector. And,
Nyari Miss Universe ka uli.
I know, we have arrived. We got the arrival is here.
Alam mo, ang daming mga kayo. May sinabi na may MGI staff sa kayo lalabas.
Gate 4, ano?
Okay, for nandun yung mga Thai fans tsaka
Oo.
si Lynette ba nagte-text sa'yo? Kasi nasa gate 4 yun. Kasi ang dami nila may gate 4, may gate 8.
Oo nga.
Pero yung staff daw nasa 8. Pero wag ka hindi. Sabi ko hindi sa 4 kami lumalabas.
Careful! Ayan. Sawadi ka! Careful! Ayan na, dito na tayo. Wait. Wait, stop! Okay. Oh! Sawadi ka!
Yung gusto ko mag-live kaya lang ayoko i-preempt ko yung
Yung ano,
suot mo.
wala pa. Ito, pahubad na ako kasi init. Parang Pilipinas lang. Ako.
Excited ka na.
Oo, so
Ang dami nag-aabang sa'yo sa labas.
Excited na ako, actually. more on excited than ready. Yeah. Magbabanyo muna ka.
Yes, go.
Okay, Yeah. Okay.
Bye-bye.
Palabas na.
Ayan, nag-aayos na ho si Kazini sa kanyang bag. Ayan na. Hindi ko siya pinopost. After ko siya ipopost later midnight kapag ano. No, hindi ko, no.
The struggle is real, you guys.
Yeah.
You think everything is easy? It takes a village and a socket that you can't find.
Buwis buhay talaga.
Diba? Pwede kaming makuryente or
Oo.
makulong or diba?
Illegal sa
Diba?
Sorry, Tela.
Buwis buhay.
Grabe. Guys, tingnan nyo naman, mahal na mahal talaga siya ng team.
Diba?
Lumipad lahat sila in full force. So habang naayusan si Kazini, ito yung social media team niya. May edit yung mga photos. Ayan si Ralph, pinahiram ni Emma. Ayan. Nag-fill out na kayo ng TDAC nyo. Ayan. So ito si Mami, naghihintay. Hello Mami!
Hi.
Excited na kayo, nandito na po tayo sa Thailand.
Yes, sawadee ka, Thailand.
First time niyo pong makarating dito or nakapunta
No,
na
this
po
is
kayo
my
dati?
second time.
Second time. Kailan po yung first time?
First time is 2020.
After the pandemic. Kasama niyo rin po si Gaz.
Yeah, no, 23 yata. Yes, I was with my friends to record awareness.
Teka lang.
Kailangan mo sa kanila sumunod.
Gate 4 or gate 8? Diretso gate 8, hindi na sa 4.
Kasi pinagmamadali na.
Tayo? Sabi, sige.
Sure ka, Mami, ano? Boarded. Huh? Country where you boarded.
Philippines, Republic of the Philippines again.
Hello, Auntie.
Hi.
Kamusta po?
I'm good. I'm in Thailand. Sawadee ka, Thailand.
Oo.
Oo.
Anong pakiramdam po na
Yeah, a little bit excited, and then I am so amazed of Thailand, so clean, and people are good. Yeah.
hiningan ba kayo ng payo ni Gazini? Hiningan ba ng payo sa inyo si Gazini nung gusto niya, nung nalaman niya gusto niya pong sumali dito?
Actually, I was surprised, when I went to Manila, and then she just surprised me with that MGI stint, All-Star stint. But what can we do except to go with the win? Well, she likes to join the MGI, so I'm here. I will support her all the way.
Kasi kami talaga mga fans, yung alam mo yun, in the past 7 years, para may panghihinayang kami na nabitin kami ng yan, nung nakaraang ano niya.
Yeah, she was still young, and it's her first time in the international pageant, so it's not so really. She's not like already already, although she was doing her best, and she was training a lot hardcore. But then maybe it was not enough. But that's God's plan to be like that. And now we will expect for the better, because she's already trained well and she's doing her best. And maybe she can do better here. Yeah.
Malakas din pakiramdam namin dito.
Yeah.
We'll do better.
We will have to think positive. Oh, yeah. Because everything is on God's will. So let's just pray and then wait for the outcome of your hard work. Yeah, that's all.
Maraming salamat po, ma'am.
Thank you,
Masaya
thank you
kami
rin.
na nandito ka para... Ako, siguro malaking bagay ang tulong mo kaya na yung presensya mo ay nandito para bigyan pa ng confidence, energy, payo, lahat-lahat na
Yeah,
si Gazini.
yeah, she's good. And she's a good kid ever since. So I am with her all the way.
Last question, paano po message niyo po kay Gazini? Ngayon nandito na kayo sa Thailand, ito na, gera na, sasabak na tayo sa competition.
Yeah, just do your job. Then just do your best, and then God will do the rest. Yeah, that's all. Amen. Thank
Maraming
you.
salamat, ma'am.
Okay,
See
thank you po.
later.
Thank you. Bye. Thank you.
CR na kayo? Yes. Okay, Gazini will switch to her outfit. Eight. Kayo na. Eight.
Pag umalis yung konta ko, kasi saan yung mama ko?
Pwedeng patulong. Mahawak na itong ano. No.
Dito tayo.
My God, ang hirap mag-isa.
One po. Intern, sige to. Ano dyan?
Wait, before daw yung pants ko.
Yung?
Yung pants ko.
6
Yung
Pinalipat ko na, sige.
But I told them to go to...
nalipat ko lang.
Oo. Sige, go lang.
Hello! Ang hirap mag-isa.
Ang ganda mo lahat.
Laban, this is so beautiful. Hi everyone.
Sigaw na kang
Yes, yes.
Wow, amazing. I like it how it's
All right.
Before you guys are doing it, you're saying that, wag mo nang gagawin yung zoom.
Hi, thank you for coming and for waiting.
Okay,
Wala ka so, wala ka. Thank you so much.
yes, sure. Waiting for Yes. Wow.
Thank you so much.
AM.
Yes. Oh my goodness. Thank you so much.
A nice present. Yes. Okay. Just well, this is my camera. How about you two coffees?
Okay.
And 1, 2, again. 1, 2, and 3. 3. Okay.
Thank you so much.
Kasi for the week time.
Okay.
Ano ba para video na? Thank you. I love that.
Yes.
Gasiri Gazados! Talisay City, Cebu, Philippines! Dahil again, nag-cam na? Okay, nag-attack na. Ang ganda! No, ba?
Kasi Ganados, Talisay,
Cebu!
Perfect.
Welcome to Thailand!
Yes, you sure.
Salamat.
Yes.
Really pretty.